Hello, I'm back with another video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I will help you to get logged into your Paycom employee account. Now, if you also want to get logged into your Paycom employee account, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC, and there on the URL bar search for paycom.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will end up to its official web page. Now, in order to get logged into your Paycom employee account, firstly you need to tap on the login button at the top right of your screen, and once you do that, it will bring up a pop-up menu on your screen, and from the menu you have to tap on employee option in order to get logged into your Paycom employee account, and then you will be directed to its login page. Now here you have to type in your username, password and the last 4 digit of SSN or PIN. Now start off by typing in your username and then type in your password. You can tap on eye icon to reveal and confirm your password. And once you're done with typing in your password, head over to the next field, type in the last 4 digit of SSN or PIN. Now tap on eye icon to reveal and confirm the 4 digit of SSN or PIN that you have typed in. And if in case you have forgotten either your username or your password, you can tap on forget username or password link till the end to recover your username or password. And once you're done with typing in all the details correctly, tap on login button to get logged into your Paycom employee account. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can get logged into your Paycom employee account. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and like this video. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.